Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Danelle of Networkchain. Thank you for watching. Today we're going to go over some of the top news stories in the world of cryptocurrency. But as usual, let's go ahead and start off with the cryptocurrency market update. As you can see here, Bitcoin is currently trading at $29,288. It is up just under 1% at 0.86% over the last 7 days. Ethereum is currently trading at about $1,800, and it is also up just under 1% at 0.72%. And as we go down to the top 10, Binance Coin is down 1.25%, trading at $240. We have XRP still holding fairly strong since its major run up since the news of the SEC lawsuit, and they are at 62 cents. Dogecoin is still in that top 10. The top meme coin in the cryptocurrency space is trading at 7 cents, and Cardano is down almost 1% at 0.28 cents. Solana trading at around $24, and it's been in that range for a little while now. And Tron is still in the top 10, still holding on. They're trading at just under 8 cents. And then you can see Polygon, Matic, and Polkadot just under at 11 and 12. So we talked about Bitcoin and Ethereum, and as you can see here, it's still ranging. If we look at the 6-month chart, Bitcoin and Ethereum is pretty much in this accumulation stage. We're still waiting to see whether there's going to be another leg up or if we're going to have another leg down, as we are still heading towards the Bitcoin halving, which is projected to be in around April of 2024, and that date changes depending on the hash rates and the Bitcoin that's being mined per day and whatnot, but it looks like it's going to be sometime around April of 2024. And so many people believe that we could still have a little bit more of a pullback, and that's what has been the trend in the past couple of cycles, where we had a little bit of a pullback going into the halving, and then once the halving was then we saw the Bitcoin prices start to go up and then skyrocket within a year or so afterwards. So we'll see if we're going to have and continue that same pattern that we've had the last couple of cycles in Bitcoin, which is usually a 4-year cycle, which is the halving cycle. So we shall see what's going to happen. And obviously we'll keep you posted along the way. But we seem to be in this accumulation period. We saw a little bit of a jump up. This was around the news of BlackRock applying for the Bitcoin ETF. We still have yet to find out any news about any of the Bitcoin ETF applications that have been filed with the Security and Exchange Commission. People are saying it's now a matter of when, not if, those will be approved. So we're still waiting to hear news on that. We just found out that ARK Invest, which is one of the investment firms that applied for a Bitcoin ETF, their application has been delayed, or I should say it's the SEC in reviewing it is postponing their decision with regards to the application. So that's still going to be a little bit longer before we hear about that particular application and some of the other applications that have been filed. So right now we are still kind of ranging here. So we shall see what happens over the next several months going into the end of the year. So we'll obviously keep you posted on what's going on. But as you can see, Bitcoin and Ethereum are still staying steady right now in that 29,000 or so range, just under 30,000 for Bitcoin, and same thing with Ethereum, just under 2,000, kind of in that $1,500 to $2,000 range. So one of the bigger news stories that came out this week is that PayPal, which is a financial servicer, is launching its own US dollar stable coin. So this stable coin is going to be fully backed by US dollar deposits, as well as short-term US treasuries and other similar cash equivalents, and it can be redeemed 1-for-1 for US dollars. So as you can see here on this press release, the fully backed regulated stablecoins have the potential to transform payments in Web3 and digitally native environments. So the point of stablecoin is that it's stable, hence the name stablecoin. So it's being traded basically 1-for-1 with the US dollar. So what happens is particularly when people are trading, they use these stable coins as a place to place their funds so it doesn't have the volatility of some of the other cryptocurrencies. And they know that it's going to stay stable at that 1-to-1 level to the US dollar. And so now PayPal is launching their own stable coin since they are now trading cryptocurrencies on their platform. So you have a chance to, if you don't want to redeem it for US dollars per se, you can keep it in cryptocurrency and still be able to maintain that dollar value. So as you can see here, you'll be able to use the PayPal USD to transfer between PayPal and compatible external wallets like the MetaMask wallet or Rainbow wallet, which are Web3 native wallets that you can use to buy NFTs, that you can use to trade other cryptocurrencies, to be able to have and hold your digital assets. So you'll be able to use PayPal USD to be able to transfer to other external wallets. You'll also be able to send person-to-person payments using PayPal USD. So if you don't want to send US dollars per se and you have the stable coin, then you can send these PayPal USD stable coins to another person. You also be able to fund certain purchases using PayPal USD, and you also will be able to convert PayPal USD to other cryptocurrencies that are supported on the PayPal platform. So as you can see here from the president and CEO, Dan Schulman, he says the shift towards digital currencies requires a stable instrument that is both digitally native and easily connected to fiat currency like the US dollar. Our commitment to responsible innovation and compliance and our track record delivering new experiences to our customers provides the foundation necessary to contribute to the growth of digital payments through PayPal USD. So you can see here that this is building the bridge between fiat and Web3 for consumers, merchants, and developers. So we're still very much in the beginning stages of blockchain technology and all of the use cases and the utility that we will be able to take advantage of using blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. But it just is a foregone conclusion at this point when you're seeing these major Web2 companies, these major brands, whether it be from fashion to financial services to institutional investors that are now finding ways to get involved in the Web3 space. Just like the internet, it's starting to happen with blockchain technology and being what they call on chain. So this is just another example of what's happening in the future that we are going to see when it comes to cryptocurrencies and the use of blockchain technology and Web3. The other big news of the week is Coinbase has launched the Base blockchain. It is a Ethereum layer 2 blockchain, and it is advocating for developers to be able to build on this open source platform. And they're going to be building bridges where you would be able to have interoperability between various blockchains, whether it be Ethereum or Avalanche or Solana. People are going to be working to be able to have these different blockchains be able to communicate and talk to one another. And then also you can, as you can see, build stable coins that we just talked about and build just about anything on Base, from games to other different types of applications, from lending, decentralized exchanges. And so Coinbase has launched Base. There is no cryptocurrency currently that we know of that is going to be a part of Base. So definitely be careful of any scams that are out there that are claiming that they are the Base cryptocurrency. But it is now just a blockchain. It is supported by the Ethereum blockchain. It is a layer 2, and it is supposed to be accessible to everyone, as you can see here. It's open source and it's powered by Optimism. And actually, let's learn a little bit more about Base and just some of the basics when it comes to what Coinbase is trying to build. So we've been building towards Base for the last 10 years. And so they have a 4-phase plan. And the first is develop the protocol, which is basically blockchain with Bitcoin and Ethereum and some of the other cryptocurrency blockchains that are open source and are being developed. And then phase 2 was build the digital currency exchange, which Coinbase has done. It is now a publicly traded company, and it is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States. So now it has brought many people onto the exchange and have introduced them to cryptocurrencies in general. So they've done really well in that aspect. And now the next phase is going into building a mass market interface for digital currency apps, which is Base. So it is now out for the world and for developers to develop on. And in order to do this, they're trying to move beyond just exchange and investment. Consumers and businesses needed an easy interface to start using digital currency and its applications. Countless applications have been built to let anyone, anywhere access the nascent crypto economy, including, as we mentioned before, Coinbase, Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, Rainbow, Trust Wallet, and others. So the next phase is phase 4, which is build the dApps of an open financial system. So dApps are basically decentralized applications. So similar to having a iPhone with the Apple Store, they have a bunch of applications that are built on top of the iPhone and the iOS platform. And with Android, you have a bunch of applications that are in the Play Store that are built on top of the Android application platform. So now you're going to have an opportunity using blockchain technology where you have these decentralized applications. So as you can see here with the interfaces in place, our existing financial system now needs to be recreated on open networks and made globally accessible. We're seeing this happen in front of our eyes. USDC has brought billions of dollars on chain, and as we saw, I believe it was what, $86 billion worth, $83 billion worth of Tether that is currently traded, and USDC is just under that. So USDC has brought billions of dollars on chain. CB enables holders anywhere to secure the financial system while earning rewards, and hundreds of dApps are enabling countless individuals and institutions to transact with lower fees, more security, and unparalleled access. So they've had tons of conversations about how they can accelerate phase 4. They're working with a bunch of people who are looking to build on top of Ethereum. Optimism is one of those programs or platforms, I should say, that is layer 2 that is working with Base to allow people to be able to build on top of the Base blockchain. Once again, it is a layer 2 on top of the Ethereum blockchain. So just remember, Ethereum is the largest smart contract platform in the world currently. There's a lot of applications that are being built on top of Ethereum, but there also are a number of other smart contract platforms that are also building as well. When you look at Solana, the Avalanche, the Polkadot, the Cardanos. So there's so many out there, but right now Ethereum, at least right now, is still the top in terms of market cap. So we'll definitely keep you posted on everything that's going on. If you want to stay posted with what we have going on a more regular basis in terms of daily content, we have our Instagram page, and we also have our X page, aka Twitter, where we post there just about every day about the happenings on the block. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you, and we look forward to connecting with you on the network chain. In the meantime, take care. Bye-bye.